Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, Containers Tutorial Part 2, you are going to learn about the fundamental of containers. Let's start and follow my steps. You can easily run commands inside a running container, as you do in any other host. To perform this operation in your running container, just execute the command docker x-it specifying the terminal like sh. Inside a container, you can use all sh commands like ls, cd, and even call the container endpoint with curl. Inside the deployment folder, you can see the jar file of your application. You can also check the Java version, Maven version, and the operating system version. Just type the command exit to exit from the container. Now you can replacing the sh with bash, so you can use the bash terminal inside the container. So far, you have been working with your container image locally. Now let's take it to a remote registry like the official Docker Hub registry. If you haven't done yet, just create a new account. Then you need to tag your image accordingly to the name you gave to your repository on Docker Hub. In my case, use Scara and then /Quarkus app. In this list, you can see your created image with the repository at the beginning of the name. You are now ready to push the image, but before doing it, you just need to log in with your Docker Hub account within your terminal. Good. Finally, with the command docker push, you can push your Docker image. Let's take a look inside the Docker Hub registry. You can see now your image. You can even pull your image from the Docker Hub using the command docker pull. If you need to containerize a Java application, you can easily build container within a running container using Dockerless technology like Jib. Jib builds containers without using a Dockerfile or requiring a Docker installation. With Quarkus, you have the extension to add with the name container image Jib. Take a moment to check the POM.xml of your project. Good. At the end, let's package the Quarkus application with Maven using the properties -d Quarkus container image build equal true. With this action, you have created a Docker image of your application without the Dockerfile. With Jib, you can even push the Docker image to Docker Hub. You have to use different parameters like the tag, group, username, password, and of course the Docker Hub registry. In this case, the public Docker Hub registry. For watching this video, subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next one. Bye!